APIs are on a lot of senior engineer job descriptions, and for years I avoided them because I thought they were complicated. They're not. By the end of this video, you're going to build one. Not copy one, not watch me build one, you. And once you do, you'll realize you've been using APIs your whole career without knowing it. You just didn't know you could make them. I'm going to break down what they actually are, show you the code, and give you enough confidence to go read documentation without your eyes glazing over. Let's get into it. First, go grab our coding guide from our GitHub page, which you can access directly or through our website. API stands for Application Programming Interface. Now forget it. Here's what it actually means. It's a way for software to talk to other software. You've used APIs 1,000 times. Every time you log into a site with Google, API. Check the weather on your phone, API. Send a payment through Stripe, API. You're already comfortable using them, you just haven't built the other side yet. Think of it like a restaurant. You don't walk into the kitchen and cook your own food. You talk to the waiter, you ask for what you want, and the kitchen sends it back. An API is the waiter. It takes requests, passes them to the system, and hands back the response. That's it. That's all it is. Now let me show you what it actually looks like in code. At the top, you can see we have our import, the request.get line. You're asking someone else's server for something. The format JSON line, you're telling it how you want the response packaged. And lastly, the data IP line. Grab what you need, that's it. Let's save our code and run our API. Now, what if you're the one answering that request? We have some imports already at the top. Next is the app equals Flask line. This spins up a server. You are now the kitchen. App.route is your endpoint. When someone knocks on the door, this function answers. And here we have a function time. You are sending back JSON, just like the last one did for us 30 seconds ago. And app.run, we're open for business. Start our API. Now let's head over to our browser. Type in the IP address. You're hitting your own API. Okay, so you've got one endpoint. Cool. But real APIs don't have just one endpoint. They have dozens. And if you write all your logic in one place, it becomes a nightmare. So let me show you how an actual engineer might structure this. Here is our next API, a calculator. Now, the math functions at the top, they don't know they're a part of an API. They just do the math. That's the point. One job each. The route handlers, these only handle requests. Grab the inputs, call the function, return the result. Request args get, this pulls values from the URL. The modular payoff, if my math is wrong, I fix the function. If my routing is wrong, I fix the handler. I'm never hunting through a 200-line mess. Let's start our API. Head over to our browser. Open up localhost, port 5000. And now let's give it a math problem according to our code. Pretty cool. All right, I showed you 3 examples. Now it's your turn. I'm going to give you a challenge. You're going to pause this video and you're going to build it. You have everything you need. Reference the code sheet you pulled from our GitHub site if you'd like a little help. Let's build a greet endpoint. It takes a name as parameter and it returns a greeting. That's it. All right, here's what it should look like. If you got it, congrats. You just built an API from scratch. If you got close, you're 90% there. If you got stuck, you can rewind Watch the calculator example again, and then try again. Now you know more than I did for the first 3 years of my career. And more importantly, you can read API documentation now without your eyes glazing over. That's the unlock. See you in the next one.